Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to instantly translate a Word document using the built-in translation tool. It's fast, accurate, and works directly inside Word. Let's get started. Here, I have a sample document in English that we will use for this demo. Now let's look at the first method, translating the entire document. To translate the full document, first go to the top ribbon and click on the Review tab. Now you will find an option called Translate. Click the Translate drop-down button. From the menu, select Translate Document. This option is used when you want to convert the entire content of your document into another language. As you can see, a translator panel opens on the right side of the screen. Microsoft Word automatically detects the original language of your document, which in this case is English. Next, under 2, you can choose the language you want to translate your document into. Word supports many languages including Spanish, French, German, Hindi, and more. I will go ahead and select Spanish from the list, not because I speak it fluently, but because it makes me feel like I almost passed high school Spanish, which I didn't. Once the language is selected, click on the Translate button at the bottom of the panel. Word now creates a new document with the translated content. Your original file remains unchanged, and the translated version opens in a separate window. Sometimes, depending on the language and layout, the formatting of font spacing might shift slightly. So you may need to do a bit of cleanup before finalizing the translated file. Now let's look at how to translate only a selected part of the document. Start by selecting the portion of text you want to translate. Next, go to the Review tab again at the top. Click the Translate drop-down button and this time choose Translate Selection. Just like before, the translator panel appears on the right-hand side of the screen. It shows the detected source language and gives you a translation in the language you select. You can scroll through the two-language list and pick your target language. I will stick to Spanish again. The translated text appears immediately in the panel. If you're happy with it, you can click Insert to replace the original text in your document with the translation. That's how you translate just a portion of your document. Helpful when you are working with mixed content or don't need the entire file converted. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.